My name's Chip Foose. I own Foose Design out in Huntington Beach, California. Foose Design represents a whole crew of people that are putting their heart and soul into a project. I may be directing what the design looks like, but they're all busting their tails to make these things a reality and make somebody's dream come true. Our goal is to build a dream for somebody. When I'm designing, I don't want anything to look old 20 years from now. I want something to be timeless. Good design in my mind is something that, all the lines work together. There's a rhythm to it. It's like a great song never dates. It's always a good song. What I'm doing at Foose Design is a lifestyle. And when I look at design as an art form, I have to look at the client that is allowing us to build that art form. Thank you to every one of them for paying us to build what we love to build. We're also building relationships. The people that we're working together, as well as the people that we're building for.
Quality Metalcraft is a company that's totally a vertically integrated manufacturing facility for metallic components. This is the Foose Edition hood for classic design concepts. This is the Foose side shields. For 40 or 50 years, we've just been manufacturing car parts and doing some engineering. Then the whole architectural art, non-automotive thing kind of came about when I met Camilo.
My name's Camilo Pardo. I can remember rather clearly the point where I knew that I wanted to go into art.
Well, actually, Camilo's doing a painting of a GT for me, because I do love the car. And the guys at Ford, Camilo Pardo, my hat is off for absolutely doing it. Camilo Pardo as a designer in general, well, I was lucky enough to work at Ford in '92, and he was working on his own projects in the studio. And he had some really cool stuff, and he's doing these fabulous paintings that are just outstanding, and everybody's working away on doing their design. And Thursday afternoon, we all have to have several drawings up of something. He hasn't touched the thing. Well, Wednesday night, he stays up all night and does all these sketches, puts them on the wall, and they just absolutely blow away everybody. And that's when I first knew that Camilo was different. He does tons of other stuff that are just phenomenal. His furniture is great, and I know that right now we're working on the Motor City Casino, and I'm involved with that project, but I want to get some of Camilo's furniture in there. The Mercury Lounge stuff is what I'm talking about. The stuff is just unbelievably cool.
Working with Camilo is great. Camilo is very interested in making it work.
When we do our studies for industrial design, you evaluate surfaces by dividing them in sections. There's a great aesthetic to it, so we went with the aesthetic as part of the design.
Carbon fiber is a trendy material. It's current. So if you design something 100 years from now, is that going to be new? I don't know. But if you were to do something out of billet aluminum and sculpt that and give a gorgeous shape, and all the lines are paralleling or working together, and you polish that, that's never going to date.
Camilo and I have been working on many fun, cool projects. They seem to be getting better and better and better, and cooler, and it's all good Motor City stuff.
It is an art form, but you need somebody to support it. And the client is the support for that art form. Our goal is to build a dream.